Shenzhen Bakon Electronic Technology Company Limited provide more value for you. A wave of upgrade industries equipment occurs after Made in China 2025, Industry 4.0 of Germany, and Industrial Internet of US pulling out. Shenzhen Bakon Electronic Technology Company Limited was founded in 1998, and it is a major in the overall solution of static control, automation lean production, lead-free soldering, auto industrial tools, and ESD tools with its Bakon and SBK brand. As a leader brand of automation lean production, Bakon passed ISO 9001 certificate in early time, and most of Bakon products have CCC, CE, and ROS certificates. Bakon insists on innovation of auto soldering technology and automation lean production high technology, which could help electronic assembly industries make a big process well. Bakon designed a system which can integrate all series of industrial tools with Bakon's production central and technical department's help after series applications in thousands customers, about 30 times checking and amendment, which can suit customized requires from different customers, and make automation electronic integrated assembly system a truth to Bakon's customers. It will help them to reduce the cost of production and management and improve efficiency much. Now, there are about 230 employees in Bakon, and more than 100 of them are experienced staffs. Also, there's a big professional team of marketing, management, and innovation. As a professional provider of automation electronic integrated assembly system in China mainland, Bakon deals with Gree Electric, Foxconn, Hisense, TCL well, which is based on strong quality control, a good lead time, and a short quality, which is approved by Bakon's customers. Bakon builds a service center for our customers, 24 hours hotlines, professional solution via our experienced technical staffs to deal with customers' requires well and provide more value for our customers. In the coming 10 years, it will be a big transformation to China industries, also to Bakon. And Bakon would like to make manufacturing smarter and provide more automatic production line tools and soldering robots for customers as a leader in China mainland. Bakon would like to build the future of China industries with all of your companies. Bakon is ready. And are you ready?